How to know information about an account or about someone on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram, then you will look for the person that you wanna have and find some information about him. You just go down and search for this person. For example, I don't know, this person. I think I will just go here to this 3 point, then I will click about this account, and now I can find the information about this account, this person. For example, join the date joined, account based in, former username, account with shared followers, and a lot of stuff. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.